How to clear Netflix history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear your Netflix history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your Netflix history, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open your browser and go to netflix.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now this process needs to be done from the browser because from the mobile app you will not be able to have all of the options available. Now you want to make sure to tap the three lines option over here as you can find it. Once you tap on that option, tap the account button here. Once you tap on the account option, over here what you need to do is simply scroll down, and then over here you can see profile and parental controls. So select the profile for which you would like to delete your viewing history of. Once you select that, you can see viewing activity. Tap the view option next to viewing activity over there. Once you tap on viewing activity, over here you'll be able to see all of the shows that this person is basically currently watching. So now what you have to do is simply tap the hide all option if you would like to hide them, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then delete your Netflix history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.